Hello everybody, CryptoStrang here. Now it's been a while since I've done a video. I've been very busy. However, I'm constantly focused on crypto and I will be doing a lot more videos now. So, new project to me, Arkham. You see on the screen, currently basically about £1 per Arkham. Never covered this project before. Now, there's obviously, this is an AI token basically, and the market is saturated with AI tokens, let's be honest. However, I found this project completely different from other AI projects, which really stuck out for me. It's quite controversial as go through this project, as you'll see. However, personally, I think this could open up more mainstream crypto adoption and people understand what it's all about. But only time will tell. So it's never financial advice. Do your own research. So, see on the market cap, just over £203 million. Okay. Now, the circulating supply is not good. It's just over basically 20%, which is really poor. So, it's something you've got to bear in mind thinking long term. However, that's what I see. I see this project as long term as they constantly develop. Now, I follow them on X, and they're very visible on there, and also the recent announced partnership with Galatasaray. So I like to see them becoming big out there, and they're getting the big partnerships and also doing the sponsorships as well. A lot of people get a lot of focus on Arkham now. I haven't seen it covered many places, just purely by luck I come across this project, and I really do like what they're doing. I think it's going to be different. It does go against the crypto code, because when you actually go on their website, de-anonymizing the blockchain basically analyzes and actually shows what people's holdings are. Now, that can be from a individual, it can be from exchange, it could be from anything. Okay, now when you scroll through, you can see on the screen on left there, it goes all the way down the bottom there, you can see all the different backers. Okay, but the fact you can see funds from like a WoW, for example, but although you can already see that in some respect on an Explorer, it shows you the holders. However, this goes more in depth and actually shows the people. So, and that side of it opens up crypto to mainstream adoption, but again, against the code of crypto, where people want to have that privacy. So it's a different kind of AI token, it truly is. Now, when you go and launch the platform, you can see here, now the dashboard's home. It goes all the different parts of it, everything they do, but it's got a lot of stuff here and a lot of interesting stuff. Now you can see all the dashboard, it says it scrolls for the latest news. Again, it talks about different Bitcoin inflows and outflows. You can see there the Binance hot wallet inflow. You can see there. That's incredible. Nearly 14, basically, it's nearly 50 million Bitcoin. Okay. It talks about it's in the Coinbase Prime hot wallet. So they're going through it constantly. And again, when they analyze all these holders and exchanges and individuals, what they're actually holding, you can actually see, what they're actually doing with all these different projects. So again, that's where it causes a problem. The fact you can get any project's portfolio holdings and what the exchange holds. Again, it lacks that privacy within crypto. Again, that's why it's different to me. And I like the fact it's different from AI tokens. I cover a lot of AI tokens on this channel, and this to me is completely different. So it's something to look forward to. But I personally believe this has got a huge future. Now, another part on the dashboard here, you can see the Intel exchange. Now, this is, again, basically what they're doing is when the project gets hacked, they're offering a bounty to tell who those people are. So basically, you're like a detective. And this is another part about the Arkham. You've got the analytics platform, which shows the holders, etc., which again opens up to holders, etc., but also got this bounty side, the Intel exchange. You can see here, RTR. Now, if you hip on here, now basically the RTR sniper address. So I'm offering a series of bounties to uncover the identities of any relevant information about the owners of 4 specific wallets that sniped the Restore the Republic RTO token launch. Okay, 2 of these wallets were funded from Bybit and 2 from Coinbase. So the actual wallet holders are on these 2 exchanges. Okay, now each sniper address has its own Arkham bounty worth 11,365 Arkham for identifying an individual behind it. So they're offering these bounties, and they cover a lot of this on X as well. So there's 2 sides to Arkham. Okay, you've got the analytics platform, which analyzes everything and everything about it, and also got this bounty side. Now, when you look at also the analytics platform and this sort of the Intel exchange, it also highlights the scammers out there. So again, I do like the fact that it's not just about showing people what they're doing in crypto, but also highlights the scammers out there. So I think that's really good. And I think that, again, highlights the project in many aspects, because obviously a lot of crypto crime out there, let's be honest. Now, when you actually go on the Arkham computer here, you can see all here, trending token pages, basic top end tentatives. But if you want to do here, if you, for example, if I just put in Coinbase, you can see here, it brings up, see Coinbase. I can now see what their portfolio is. You can see it's absolutely huge, obviously. Look at that. Absolute massive holdings. Okay. It shows there all their Bitcoin, their Ethereum, the Link, the BNB, the GRT, and the USDC they hold, for example. Okay, but you think their Bitcoin alone, they've basically nearly 860,000 Bitcoin. Okay, and that's just Coinbase. So again, it's quite interesting to see what these actual exchanges hold. And I also talked before about proof of assets. haven't we, on these exchanges to prove who they've actually got it after the FTX disaster. Now, obviously, I've used Coinbase for many years, and I'm totally fine with Coinbase, but I'm just saying, again, it highlights what these actual holdings have got because they know their addresses. Okay, so I do like the fact they obviously help with stolen funds as well. But also, when you can see on the left screen here, it's got all the different alerts. But I just like the fact you can basically search anything. Now, again, this must be quite controversial when people, they don't want to find out what they've got. It's not just these exchanges. It's not just these sort of big corporations that hold crypto. It's obviously individuals as well. So it's quite different. Now, they've also got a quick start guide, Arkham. Shows you how to do it, basically get started on the website. And I've actually joined the site just to have a look because also on X, they've got a lot of people doing with their exchange a lot of solid work, and they're actually doing some real solid returns. So again, scrolls through, gives you a step-by-step guide, and I think you see here it's a lot of information on here. Again, it talks about how you search it and what their balance histories, exchange user transactions, the filtering, etc. But people are actually doing really well on their exchange with the low cap gems, actually making huge returns. So again, it's not just about the Intel exchange where people can get off with bounties, etc. It's not just about the platform itself where you can search people's addresses. They've also got an exchange where you can actually buy some low cap gems. I think it's really good. Again, follow them on X. It really does highlight the massive returns that people have got. But again, that's obviously extremely high risk, and do your own research. Also, their white papers are very in depth. It talks more about the Intel to Earn and Arkham Intel exchange. It basically connects people who want to buy and sell crypto intelligence. It is a decentralized intelligence economy where anyone can trade the native currency Arkham. Now, again, always cover any project. I want to see the actual genuine use case for the token Arkham. So basically use Arkham for the information such as entity labels, packet tracing, and curated data feeds. Buyers request intelligence by placing bounties. Okay, so Arkham, that's what gives it. Now, in exchange concept, the economy for blockchain intelligence is fragmented and inefficient. There's significant demand for intelligence from traders, journalists, researchers, and other observers, and there's significant supply generated by the thriving community of on-chain sleuths. There's nowhere of these two sides of the market to meet. So that's where this AI project comes together. Again, that's what I think is really good. So again, also talks there about the Arkham. Okay, bid on Intel auctions, receive payments, that's the ARKM token, and talks about Intel Exchange. Again, what it's doing with these bounties to highlight the scammers, the fraudsters, etc. So you can actually see if someone hacks on different wallets, exactly what is going on. So again, I think that's really different. It does highlight the project. The white paper is very in depth, and again, it goes in more in depth here as you go through the white paper. Now, recently, Blofin reached out to me. They've actually done a special deal for me. They've done a partnership with me. Anyone signs up using Blofin, using my referral link, get special rewards. Now, I do appreciate this. Obviously, you can buy Arkham on Blofin. I've done dedicated videos on Blofin. I think it's a wonderful new exchange, up and coming. You know, KU Coin, for example, the exchange has been around for many years, invested in Blofin. It's really strange when exchange invested in another exchange. So Blofin is like an up and coming next generation exchange. So I really do like the fact that Arkham's on there. And what Blofin have done for me, they've offered up this wonderful deal for anyone who joins using my link. So you can see on the screen, CryptoStrang, Blofin. Claim $300 deposit bonus. Now, you just deposit $100 and you get $15 of future bonus, okay? If you deposit $500, you get $75. And actually, if you're a big one, you go over $2,000, you get $300 future bonus, which I truly do appreciate. So, obviously, Joy Blofin, there's a link below to support the channel. And the fact you can get Arkham on there is wonderful. So, again, do your own research, but I personally think Arkham is perfectly poised. I think it could be absolutely huge because it's a different token from the others, as I said. So, again, you go back to CoinMarketCap and see at the moment, it's literally just while I've been doing the video, just literally touched £1. Okay, it's up 10% the last day or so. Now, if we scroll through also for the last 7 days, you can see up 30%. 1 month, we're down 2%. Obviously, 8% now. It's just reset itself. Now, obviously, we had quite a big drop in the market. That was obviously quite big. I think we're really getting some more momentum going now. I truly do. Always, it is very volatile after the Bitcoin halving. And it does take literally 6 months for the market to get going again, in my opinion. Now, a year, you can see up with 215%. Okay, but bear in mind, in March, we were £3. Okay, so again, a wonderful opportunity with Arkham. And I think only time will tell how this develops. I think it's very important in 6 months' time I see where this price is, because I say I'm super bullish about this long term. I think it's got huge potential. So, appreciate it's been a while since I've done a video. As I said, we'll do more videos soon. And want to help as usual, email me info@cryptostrang.com, or my social media links. But come and join us on the Telegram group. I say, do join Blofin using my link. I do appreciate everyone supports the channel. It's great that an exchange opens up to me for a relatively small crypto channel and wants that partnership. I do genuinely appreciate their support. So thanks very much. We will chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.